It's what my daddy did, and it's what I do. Between the two of us, we're in a town we ain't been through, riding 18 wheels, all just chrome and steel. Try to keep this country rolling, out here doing the deal. Skip the past name and what it is that I do. I tell you, I drive trucks on the highways where I'm found, trucking it up from coast to coast and from town to town. It's in my blood. That white line beaver fills my soul. No matter which way I'm heading, I'm always headed home. I'll be there soon. But God only little luck. I drive trucks. I had a bad wreck. 285 swept out of mine. To the tears I could still see the flames and the flashing lights. Almost give it up. But the way my driving keeps, but from somewhere up above, I heard a voice say to me, son, you drive trucks on the highways where you're found, trucking it up from coast to coast and from town to town. It's in your blood. That white line beaver fills your soul. No matter which way you're heading, you're always headed home. You'll be there soon. But needing a little love, you drive trucks like a pony express in the round, round west. We ride all the corridor of every storm as I'm trying to do our best. We drive trucks on the highways where we're found, trucking it up from coast to coast and from town to town. It's in our blood. That white line beaver fills our soul. No matter which way we're heading, we always headed home. We'll be there soon. But God only little love. We drive trucks. Ladies and gentlemen, that song was called "We Drive Trucks" by Tony Justice. I hope y'all like it.